friends, it's Devon Aunty. We're giving this car the bubbliest, splashiest, soapiest car wash ever. Are you ready, helper?
I'm ready. I can't see you anymore, Devon Aunty.
How's the left side passenger window look?
It was great, Devon Aunty.
What about the rear?
Looks great.
And how about the right passenger window?
Amazing.
Should I scrub soft like a kitten or strong like a dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Roar! Dino scrub! Okay, helper and friends, it's time for the big splash.
Get ready to be scared, guys.
The water isn't scary, but it is powerful.
The bubbles are popping.
Uh-oh, bubble down. Send in the backup bubbles. Did you know bubbles are actually made of air trapped inside soapy water?
It's like a bubble blanket. How does soap work?
Soap has two tiny sides. One side loves water, and one side loves the dirt and air. When soap mixes with water, it spreads out into a thin, stretchy skin. That skin is strong enough to hold air inside. When you spray, scrub, and swish, air sneaks in and gets trapped by the soapy skin. And boom, a bubble is born. Do you know why bubbles pop? Because the soapy skin gets too thin or dry.
Wow!
Hey, do you want to hear a joke?
I would love to hear a joke.
What's a car's favorite kind of music after a wash? Anything with a clean beat. Wow, this car looks so clean. We're doing such a good job. Thanks for joining us today. Subscribe and like if you had fun.